In Igbo land, a man is never alone. His life is tied to his family, his lineage, and his people. Here, the bond between kindred runs deeper than blood. It is the sacred thread that connects generations, both living and ancestral. The Igbo family begins not with the individual, but with the Umunna, the extended kindred. Every person belongs to a lineage, and that lineage carries a name, a history, and a duty. It is said, ihe onye metara, ụmụnna ya erubeghị. What one does affects the entire kindred. That sense of collective responsibility keeps families strong and community peaceful. Respect is the heartbeat of Igbo family life. The young kneel or bow to great elders. Decisions are not rushed. They are made in the presence of wisdom. The oldest man, known as Obara, represents the voice of the ancestors. His word carries the weight of generations. Marriage in Igbo culture is not just the union of two people. It is the joining of two families. When a man marries, he marries into a new Umunna. The joy, the rituals, and the exchange of gifts all symbolize a large truth. The love in Igbo land is never private. It belongs to the community. Within the home, the mother is a silent strength that holds everything together. She teaches values, nurtures dreams, and ensures that the children remember their roots. In Igbo culture, motherhood is sacred, not just for giving life, but for sustaining it. In Igbo society, family extends beyond biological ties. There are ndị ichie, ancestors, ndị nne ochie, maternal kins, ndị be anyị, neighbors, all bound by mutual respect and shared responsibilities. Even a visitor is treated like family once he shares your food or breaks kola with you. Every Igbo family honors its ancestors, those who walked before and paved the way. Libations are poured to remember them, and prayers said to seek their guidance. To forget one's ancestors is to forget oneself. The family shrine or ancestral tree reminds everyone that life is a circle. The living, the dead, and the unborn, forever connected. When hardship comes, the Igbo family stands as one. During funerals, naming ceremonies, or crisis, the Umunna gathers. Contributions are made, advice is shared, and no one is left to suffer alone. The unity is the sacred strength of the Igbo people, one that turns villages into nations. Even in cities today, the Igbo family spirit survives. Whether in Lagos, Abuja, or overseas, every Igbo gathering still begins with kola nut, prayers, and kinship. No matter how far one travels, home remains in the heart. The Igbo family is not just a household. It is a living heritage. It binds the people, shapes their values, and keeps the spirit of unity alive. For in the end, Onyekwe, Chiekwe, when one stands with his people, even the gods stand with him.